Velo Backpack Vacuum has been built to last and will keep you cleaning longer with our 2-year warranty on body and motor and a 1-year warranty for the batteries and charger. Commercially designed and built to be functional, durable and long-lasting, with simple maintenance requirements, you will have a highly reliable vacuum for many years to come. To ensure you are always fully supported when you purchase one of our machines, we have service agents conveniently located across the world, offering the highest level of support and advice to our global customers. The harness provides maximum user comfort and wearability with extra thick padding on the straps to ensure an optimum fit. With adjustable straps and chest fastener, the user can customize the harness to suit their personal requirements, allowing minimum effort each time the vacuum is in use. Most importantly, this also promotes the correct posture. Velo is one of the lightest commercial backpack vacuums on the market, weighing in at only 4.6 kilograms, and with a bag capacity of 2.5 liters, it gives the user complete freedom and flexibility to move around and complete any task quickly and efficiently. Velo provides optimal indoor air quality using 4-stage filtration technology by utilizing reusable and disposable dust bags. Each level of filtration captures and retains more and more dust and dirt, down to the very fine particles, which are caught by the high-flow HEPA filter and exhaust filter. The 4 stages of filtration ensure high levels of allergens and dust particles are contained within your vacuum cleaner, and the air dispersed is clean. Designed to provide a low sound output, this vacuum ensures comfortable levels during use and minimizes noise pollution.